Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. Today I am doing my Boxycharm unboxing for January of 2020, and this month is a little bit different because I opted to upgrade to Boxycharm Premium. However, I was also sent the regular Boxycharm subscription box. So here is the difference in size. Here is the Premium, which is a lot bigger, and then here is the original or regular. So I'm gonna just start with the Premium box, since that's the box that I was anticipating this month and I am so excited about. Let me put this other one down. Okay, so just take my scissors. And let's jump right in. Okay, so the theme of January's box is breaking the ice, which is very fitting being that it is a new decade and a new year, 2020. So that's really cute. And I'm just gonna jump right in because I don't want this video to be too long. So the first thing that I see is by Tula Skincare. This is the Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser. And I'm gonna cheat. So this effective yet gentle foam cleanser is where clear skin begins. 2% salicylic acid provides major acne clearing power, while superfood licorice helps brighten the look of most blemish marks. Alcohol and fragrance free, this cleanser treats regular or occasional breakouts, leaving skin looking soft and glowing. This retails for $34. So I actually have tried this brand. I really like it. I love the under eye balm, and we just also purchased the polish exfoliating scrub, which Rich and I both really like, so I'm excited to try this. I always love trying new skincare, and it's really nice that it's in the box, so you don't have to go out and hope for the best and pay out of your own pocket. So the next thing that I see in here, oh my gosh, there goes the box. The next thing in the box is by Natasha Denona. This is the Blackest Black eyeshadow. This is matte. And what is this? This is a highly pigmented eyeshadow. Provides a soft velvety texture, full coverage, and blends seamlessly onto lids for an ideal smoky eye look. $29. So let me just open this one up actually because I'm curious. This is just like a black shadow. It is. It literally is just a matte black shadow, which I can't be mad at. I don't know about you guys, but I'm always digging in my palettes to find like a good matte black shadow because not every palette has a matte black shadow. So this is cute to just have like up here on my vanity very close so that I can just grab it whenever I need a black shadow. And again, I would never ever buy this, and for $29, no way. But because it's in the box, it's Gucci. Next in here we have, oh my gosh, I love this brand. This is the Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Serum. You guys, I love this. I don't even need, I already have this actually. Where is it? Here it is. So I actually already have this product. This is such an underrated primer, you guys. This is so good. I love this. It almost leaves like a tacky feeling on your face. It's good for underneath the makeup. And let's just read the claim straight from here. It says it's a hybrid skincare serum that hydrates the skin, leaving a radiant glow. With hyaluronic acid to plump and improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, it could be used as a hydrating serum or as a radiance boosting primer before makeup. $54. You guys, I forgot to mention the prices of these boxes, but the premium box is $35. So we have already exceeded that amount by a long shot, and we still have more to go. Next, we have the $1 Billion Brows, the best brow kit ever. What are these? So transform your brows with these essential brow products. So basically it's just like a brow kit, and you get pretty much everything you would need to create flawless brows, and this retails for $42. So I've never tried this brand. I think I've heard of it, Billion Dollar Brows, but I mean, not bad. I'll give it a try. Sorry, my hair, I knew I should have tied it back. It's like all over the place. Okay, ooh, this is cute. This is by Too Faced, and this is the Palm Springs Dream Cocktail Party eyeshadow palette. And this is just an eyeshadow palette. Obviously, I'll open it up, but this retails for $45. Oh my gosh. This is, first of all, the packaging, isn't this so cute? I'm a sucker for packaging. It just is so gravitating and mesmerizing. I love it. Oh my god. It's hot pink. Look at this. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not, but it's stunning. So let me just open this up. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love it. I love it. You got pops of colors. You got your neutrals. Ooh, it actually smells like, I'm not sure if it's supposed to smell like anything. But it smells like a very fresh, light scent. I can't explain it. But it smells really good. So I'm excited to try this. This is awesome. So I think that's it. Oh no, there's one more thing in here. This is the Bliss Pore Patrol Deep Detox 4-Clay Souffle Mask. And this is a silky souffle mask. Has a powerful combination of clays. It deeply cleanses the skin and minimizes the look of pores. Yes, please. And it does not leave skin dry or tight. This is $18, and I think I have tried some products from Bliss. I think you get them at Ulta or like Target, so can't be mad at another skincare product. So that is amazing. That is the premium box, and let me just very quickly add this up. Okay, so my box for January, the premium box, had a total value of $222. That is insane, considering I only paid $35. So that's amazing. So now the fun part is I actually also received the regular box. So I'm excited. I have 2 boxes this month. So I can't wait. Where'd it go? Where'd she go? Where did I put it? Oh, it's on the floor. Okay, and here is just the regular standard subscription box. I'm just going to open this up. So, same theme, breaking the ice. Let me just go in here and see. Ooh, I got a concealer. This is a Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. Lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with the natural flawless finish. Infused with vitamin E and I'm just going to try this real quick. Galactoractiborian to keep skin moisturized and to rejuvenate and improve the skin's appearance. $25. So I actually have never tried a Pretty... Oh, that was like... It wasn't even screwed. I've never tried a complexion product by Pretty Vulgar, so that's exciting. Ooh, that's a cute little wand, if you guys can see that. That's really nice. And it looks like it would just fit perfectly. And the shade also looks really good. This is in the shade 295H. I'm not sure. The middle ground. I mean, that's all it really says. I'm not sure. But I'm excited to try that. And next we have the Avant Shea Butter Rice Bran Age Radiance 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask, 1.69 fluid ounces. This is an 8-hour radiance renewal sleeping mask, works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Retails for $107. Where? Why? Okay, that is crazy. Let me just see what this is about, because that is insane. I would never buy this. So again, thank you, Boxycharm. Okay, I can't. Okay, I can't open it. It's like completely stuck. Let me see if I can take it. Okay, yeah, guys, I can't open it. It's completely stuck. I don't know. I will figure it out, and if it is something amazing, I will let you guys know. But if you never hear about this again, it's because it was not worth it or not good, or just don't even bother. Next, I have a Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. This is what it looks like. This is a volumizing mascara that adds instant thickness and definition. Quick dry formula, locks and curl. Petite sized hourglass applicator is designed to lay in on thick and separate lash by lash for a full feathered fringe. $16. I've never heard of this brand personally, but I can't complain about a new mascara. I don't ever really buy mascara because I wear false lashes every single day, so I don't really care about like how good a mascara works for my personal lashes, but for like my regular lashes, let's see. The wand and the bristles are very soft, so that's cute. Alright, next we have a Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gamage. So it's an exfoliating cream. So this is an exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Gamage is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and luxury Italian spa experience. This retails for $28. So this is just like an exfoliator for your face, which I love exfoliators. This is so sealed up, so let me see if I can get into this one without boring you guys. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like a spa. That smells really good, and it has really fine like beads in there to really help exfoliate and smooth and polish the skin. It feels really nice. It smells really good. I've never heard of this brand. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. This smells like a luxury spa at home. That's what I'm envisioning. That smells really good. Wow. So the last thing in here is by Ace Beauté. This is an eyeshadow palette. I'm sorry, I sounded like I said Beauté. Is that how you say it? Or that just like came out naturally? I don't know, is it Beauty? Beauté? Butte? I don't know, but whatever. This is an eyeshadow palette, so I have another eyeshadow palette. Awesome. Scarlet Dusk is what this one is called. It says, the Scarlet Dusk palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the breathtaking sunset witnessed in various locations around the world, and is a sister palette to our Vintage Dawn palette. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. Let me just get this open. Okay, so here is what the packaging looks like. It's very thin, very sleek, almost like a matte cardboard packaging with rose gold, gray and rose gold. Those are my favorite color combinations. And let's just see what she looks like inside. Ooh, you get a mirror, and then you also have just like a lot of warm shades in here. Very pretty, very nice. I really like it. Wow, it's really pretty. I'm actually into like purple pinky shades, plus Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so I think this is a cute little eyeshadow palette. And from what I can remember, I received an eyeshadow palette from them in the past in a Boxycharm, and I really liked it, so that's really nice. And that is it. So let me go ahead and add up the total cost for the regular box for January. Okay, so the total value of this box, which is $25, is $210.99. That is absurd. That is so crazy. So I will leave everything that I've mentioned today linked down below. Also, if you guys want to see me try anything specific or you want feedback on any one of these products, let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, please be sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, bye guys!